In the context of the message in the passage indicated, compos mentis most likely means Nathan was compos mentis in every down-to-earth sense of psychology. Down-to-earth means pragmatic or realistic, which denotes a person with conscientious and scrupulous decisions and helps us to predict that compos mentis should have a positive meaning. An insane person is outrageous or seriously mentally ill, so choice B is to be eliminated according to the prediction. Inane as choice A and S9 as choice D mean a stupid person. A realistic person with conscience cannot be stupid and silly, so choice A and D are also incorrect and they are to be eliminated. Now, Nathan had pragmatic sense, so he could be smart, but he could not be silly, to be absurd or ridiculous or preposterous in a bad condition. Sane as choice C means a person of sound mind who is reasonable, that is, who is pragmatic in any situation to deal with the problem. So we can see that choice C means the prediction to be the correct answer. So we can eliminate choice C and we can accept choice C. So the correct answer is choice C.